Today we are making Portokalopita, the famous Greek orange cake. The very first step is preparing the syrup, and for that I am starting with fresh oranges, cutting them open and squeezing out all the golden juice. This will make all the difference in the cake. I actually discovered this cake for the very first time during my trip to Rhodes in Greece. Some regions make it with crispy filo pastry, but the one I tasted there was made with semolina. And that's the version I will be sharing with you today. It was served to us at a restaurant after breakfast, and even though it is soaked in syrup, I found it incredibly light and fresh. That's when I knew I had to recreate it at home. Next, we also need the peel of half an orange for the syrup. Cut it into thin strips, but make sure you only take the orange part. Too much of the white underneath will make it bitter. Now let's put everything together for the syrup, sugar, water, the juice of an orange, and those thin strips of peel we prepared earlier. Finally, just a few drops of lemon juice. This keeps the syrup bright and balanced. While syrup is boiling, we prepare the cake. This recipe is full of fresh oranges. We use some for the syrup, and now we need more for the cake itself. I am squeezing one orange to get about 100 milliliters of juice, which will go straight into the butter. And now I am grating the peel of one orange. This will go into the cake batter and give it that wonderfully fresh aroma and vibrant orange flavor. The syrup has boiled for 10 minutes, and now we need to remove the orange peels so it doesn't get bitter. Now we leave the syrup to cool down. Making this cake is actually very simple. We begin with 3 eggs and sugar, the base of so many great desserts. Whisk them together really well until the mixture turns pale, light and fluffy. This step is what gives the cake its soft and airy texture. So take your time here and make sure the sugar is fully dissolved into the eggs. Next, I add the oil. You can find all the exact measurements listed below the video. I'm also adding the yogurt. Now adding orange juice and the orange zest. Mixing them together. And now it is time for the dry ingredients, flour and semolina. Don't forget the baking powder and a little vanilla. The cake batter is ready. So we pour it into our greased baking tray. Then it goes straight into the oven at 175 degrees Celsius for about 35 to 40 minutes until golden on top. Once the cake is out of the oven, let it rest about 5 to 10 minutes to release the heat. Then it is time to combine it with the syrup. This step requires a bit of patience. The cake doesn't absorb all the syrup at once. Pour some over, wait about 10 minutes, then add a little more. Repeat this 3 to 4 times until most of the syrup is absorbed. If a little remains on top, don't worry, that's perfectly fine. When you are done, let the cake cool completely to room temperature. Then cover it with plastic wrap and place it in the fridge to rest. Overnight is best. But if you make it in the morning, a few hours until the evening will be enough. And our cake is ready. After resting, it soaked up all the syrup and it smells wonderfully fresh with orange. I hope you'll try it and love it too. If you enjoyed this video, please like and leave me a comment. Thanks for watching.